No one girl uniform that compared to every other girl that's no one girl uniform, you know.
Oh, no, let's go, Pike. Take your time. Take your time, Pike. Take your time, ease up, Pike.
Yeah, man, that's too much coach youth.
Pike, don't just let it go.
Ah, Glenn, man.
Come play here with the man.
That boy rep, let go play, man, rep.
What is that? What is that? You can't write it. You can't write it.
Jadi mar.
वो देखा था उसने कल उन्होंने दिया है उसे
Kira? London, no? Ish. Jangan satu sana. Dengar.
बस उड़े लगा नहीं खड़ा क्या उड़े
One wheel.
One wheel, huh?
Okay.
Oi! Bambakla! Jano. Squiddy, what that, Squiddy?
That's a cake I bought for you because you know you my girlfriend. You know you my girlfriend, and I just bought you a cake. And I already got love for you.
I expected something more than this. I expected something more.
But you know you my girlfriend, and I bought you that cake for real. That, and I already got love for you. Yeah, I really.
I don't appreciate that shit. Well, I asked for something better than this, whoa.
Why? I bought you a
I'm
jet.
better than that, whoa. Like a fucking car, a Mercedes Benz or something like that, whoa.
You did my dog like that.
Audi, whoa.
I can't believe you did my dog.
No, that's a cake.
We not post up them they sitting there for nobody wants to not do for Valentine's Day, we not get and I'm no bad mind me have. Me alright, me have my girlfriend. And she alone me need. We go sit down and we go chat, we ex them and we go laugh after time and then we look where we not give them the blind. And that's all we want for Valentine's Day. So nobody feel to say me sad.
I'm looking sad as shit because they ought to be breaking off these motherfuckers. You still be in a relationship like that. When it's gonna be a motherfucking man's day? We need a man's day, motherfucker. We tired of always women's day. It's all we always gotta spend our money for the motherfucking women.
No, you say you're a footballer. And you see a man control a ball so pristine, like the whites and them down a nigga and Ocha race. And you want to tell me say you go run up on him. Now in the name of Pele and Maradona, what you really expect to go happen to you? Well, make us see now.
Well done! Jesus Christ! Well done! Hold on! Pause the game, we need to see it.
I believe I can